Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading or weekly ganap for January 6 to 12, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads because it really helps this channel to go on, to move on, to grow. Ayan. Thank you sa inyo. So, let's see. Gemini. Let's see what's coming to you. Kinukuha na natin yung mga cards para dire-diretso na lang yung reading natin. For Gemini. Okay. So, let's begin. You have the Knight of Swords. The Three of Pentacles. The Eight of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. Okay. So, kind of busy ngayong week na to. Maraming kailangan gawin, asikasuhin. May mga minamadali kayo no? So, maaring related to sa trabaho nyo, sa business. Meron kayong gustong kausapin, makausap agad-agad. Maaring meron kang meeting ngayong week na to na napaka-importante kaya mamadaliin mo yung sarili mo or you may be running late, no? So pay attention sa oras kasi baka ma-late ka lalo na kung very important itong meeting na to. Baka syempre first impressions last, 'di ba? Kung late ka sa meeting, late ka sa business mo or sa trabaho mo, syempre it gives the impression na hindi ka ganun ka professional. So, yeah. And then you have the High Priestess. These are, I think you are in search for something that is related to your spirituality. Like, meron kang gustong mas matuklasan pa, mas interesado ka ngayon sa iyong spiritual beliefs or yung spiritual practices mo. You may be learning a new skill related to spirituality, divination, things like that. Yung iba maari ring may mga gusto kang simulan na, let's say, trabaho, career path, business related to spirituality. Like for example, what I do, tarot reading, ganyan, astrology, selling crystals, or any divination, forms of divination. So, maaring ganon. And then, yung iba naman sa inyo, I see you collaborating with someone. Parang may rito agreement. Okay? So, syempre, lahat ng mga agreements, may mga kontrata. Basahing maigi kung ano ang laman ng kontrata na yan para hindi nyo pagsisihan ang magiging resulta. No? I mean, dapat aware kayo, no, sa mga pinapasok nyong mga agreements. You have unconscious, sleeping, okay, forgiveness, and rest. Oh, okay. I think this week, importante rin na makapagpahinga kayo. Minsan kasi mahirap magtrabaho ng parang yung isang one time, big time, tapos nakakapagod, 'di ba? And then afternoon parang wala ka ng energy. So, this is you na kailangan mong mag-maintain ng balance. Especially kung lagi kang puyat at wala ka ng oras para sa sarili mo. So, proper rest is very important. You are also forgiving someone. So, pwedeng you are forgiving a person na may nasabing hindi maganda sa'yo or nasaktan ka in some way or form. So, you are forgiving this person. This can be a romantic connection. Okay? Maaring naging busy rin tong person na to kaya hindi kayo madalas magkita or mag-usap. This is also forgiveness para sa sarili mo. So, you are forgiving yourself. You have Saturn in the 11th house. Pwedeng sa kaibigan. There's like, parang siyang limitation sa isang organization. So, parang yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong, let's say may plano ka to be in the social media or kumita online or to be a content creator. Kaya lang, minsan, ikaw mismo yung nagsasabotahe sa sarili mo. Like, you are saying na, I'm not good enough or may pagka-perfectionist no? So, minsan kasi, pag masyado kang perfectionist, hindi mo nasisimulan yung project mo, yung gusto mong gawin. Kasi parang everything na lang nakikita mo ay mali or flaw, no? So, ang importante dito is yung experience. Yung experience mo. Magawa mo na siya. Ma-experience mo na. And yung learning kasi, ma-acquire mo na lang yan during the process. Okay? You have the Jupiter in the first house in Aries, enterprise. So, yeah, meron kang kakayanan ngayon na magpalawak ng iyong connections, ng network mo. At kung nahihiya ka, syempre, hindi yun makakatulong, no? Dahil nahihiya ka. Kailangan dito magtiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan because you have a lot of potentials. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, kaya ganun, dahil parang meron kayong nagawang mistakes in the past na parang ayaw nyo nang mangyari ulit. You have to forgive yourself kasi minsan talaga may ganun nagkakamali talaga diba? Oo. You have style. Okay, so ito yung self-expression through design and art. So yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong talent sa design, sa arts, sa fashion, at kung ano-ano pa na kung saan mas may express yung sarili nyo sa pamamagitan ng pananamit at mga artworks. So, sa relationship naman, you may be going out with a person you love or your romantic partner. You may be dating this week. Ayan, expectations, don't seek anyone's approval. Oh, this really makes sense. Kasi minsan parang yung achievement natin or fulfillment natin ay binabase lang natin sa approval ng ibang tao. Which is parang contradicting kasi nga dapat sarili mo yan no? Na ikaw yung magfulfill ng mga gusto mo, hindi yung ibang tao, 'di ba? Ace of Swords, meron kang ideas, no? New ideas in expressing yourself through fashion and pwede mo siyang pagkakitaan, ma-monetize. Justice, okay. I think you finally decided to go out with someone. If you are single, kung matagal ka lang single, but if you are in a relationship, I think, alam mo lang na kailangan bigyan mo ng time yung person mo. Kasi this is bringing balance in your relationship. Hindi lang puro trabaho, but also being there for your person. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.